Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to SHIB Update. Today this video is brought to you by DXRP, who are the first decentralized exchange built on XRP ledger, and we also have SPX 6969, which is a low cap meme coin. If you like meme coin, volatile meme coin which can do 10 to 20x, we have SPX 6969, and we also have DXRP as well. Now guys, SHIB, I've actually shown you a pattern of SHIB some few days ago, and a range trap we talked about, and SHIB at the moment is very close to do something, and just gonna take this lower trend line a little bit like that, and push, just trying to fix the line a little bit more to make things more accurate. I think this is really perfect. So 1st of October, okay, we have 21 days to see what SHIB is going to do. Now it could be super boring as we speak right now. So I do see a little bit of a push again to 1351, and if you're going to get rejected from here, of course you could come down again, bounce off, come down, and then eventually pop to 1029, or you could actually break above here and move towards 3000 levels, which to me is because of the fact that we have this sideways movement and a sideways triangle. So yeah, you can see the resistance is pretty clear to us right now. So you have a couple of touches in here, rejection down, one touch right there, rejection down, and you're looking for another touch here, probably another rejection. If it actually happens that sellers become more powerful, they're going to push it all the way down to maybe 990, and I think 990 can be a very good massive buying opportunity. And that also means if I take this trend line, you can see that 990 has proven to be a very good place to buy indeed. So this trend line here, you can see one touch bounce off there, one touch bounce off here. I'm pretty sure even if we try to like zoom out on the daily, we will actually end up seeing 990 being some very important level. So just gonna extend a little bit like that. Yeah, you can see that back in history this was the resistance 990 right here. It was resistance here, it was resistance here as well. It acted as support here, support here, support here. So 990 has a very big influence on SHIB, and it's an important price level, and as far as I'm concerned, it does look like a very good buying area as well. Now, however, if you ever lose 990, we have another trend line which is actually down at nearly 544. So even if a very big crash ever happens, then your next best friend to buy is gonna be 500 or 600 level after 990. But it does look like SHIB must have a little bit of a response back up again, maybe to 2265 or something. So even if you end up dropping down a little bit to 1052, that can actually be like 20, 30, 40% drop down. It looks small, but it's a very big change. I mean, it's like a 30% change. And then from there, if 990 holds, we're good to go all the way back up to that resistance which we're not breaking out of, which is 3267. So from 990, this could be a huge 200% move to the upside if it actually ever happens. So that's it for the video on SHIB, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love.